How to install a plugin on WordPress. After installing WordPress, the first thing every beginner needs to learn is how to install a WordPress plugin. In simple words, WordPress plugins are like apps for your WordPress website. They allow you to add new features to WordPress like a contact form, slideshow, shopping cart, and more. There are thousands of free and paid plugins available for WordPress. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to install a WordPress plugin. Open the browser. So let's get into the administration panel for WordPress. Go to your domain /wp-admin. Log in with the admin and password. The easiest way of installing a WordPress plugin is to use the plugin search. The only downside of this option is that a plugin must be in the WordPress plugin directory, which is limited to only free plugins. First thing, you need to visit the Plugins Add New page inside your WordPress admin area. You will see a screen like the one like this. You will see here featured plugins, popular, recommended, and favorites. Find the plugin by typing the plugin name or the functionality you are looking for. On the Search Input plugin from the right, write what you search for. Let's search for a plugin called NextGen so we can install it. We have found the plugin. Click on Install Now. Click Activate. You have now installed this plugin. You can also install a plugin that is not in this directory. Paid WordPress plugins are not listed in the WordPress plugin directory. These plugins cannot be installed using the first method. That's why WordPress comes with the upload method to install such plugins. We will show you how to install WordPress plugins using the upload option in the admin area. First, you need to download the plugin from the source, which will be a zip file. Next, you need to go to the WordPress admin area and visit Plugins, Add New page. After that, click on the Upload Plugin button on the top of the page. This will reveal the plugin upload form. Here you need to click on the Choose File button and select the plugin file you downloaded earlier to your computer. After you have selected the file, you need to click on the Install Now button. WordPress will now upload the plugin file from your computer and install it for you. You will see a success message like this after the installation is finished. Once installed, you need to click on the Activate Plugin link to start using the plugin. You would have to configure the settings to fit your need. These settings will vary for each plugin, therefore we will not be covering that in this. You have now finished installing this plugin. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.